Sky Squad. Today we're going to be taking a look at Itty Bitty Kitties. So let's just open these up. Pretty much it's like a little meme inside a Play-Doh. So let's open this up. Yay! There's Play-Doh here. And there's a meme inside this. Let's see what meme we got.
No.
Ow! Here we have this. It says, 2 paws way up. Funny. Number 2. This is just like a little, it's just a little poster showing off all of the things that you can get. I accidentally ripped it. And here it is. So we got this guy. Here he is right here. He's a cutie patootie. And funny. Let's open this one. This time we got a purplish Play-Doh. I actually really like these doughs. They're really like smooth and they don't break. Okay, let's see what we're gonna get in this bad boy of a box. The little cat playing with the vacuum cleaner, and it says, "Ice cream fails." Okay, one. It's not on here. It's literally not on here.
Isn't it that one over there?
Oh, here it is. Right here. I got 2 cool doughs. Yeah, I love dough. Here, we're gonna open up this 3rd one. Let's see what color we get this time. Got a blue dough. I really like the feeling of this Play-Doh.
It looks like soft like baby powder.
Let's see what we're gonna get in this one. We got a cat. Got its leg stuck inside of a little jar of honey, I think.
That's so cute.
Let me focus it. Okay, we're gonna put it right here.
You got 3 different areas so far.
Okay, we have 2 more to open up, guys. Let's open this.
Be my friend.
Aw, man. We got a duplicate. But this one is not coming out properly.
Ooh, that might be a very rare one.
This one doesn't want to come out.
Need help?
No. This one says, "Whoa, bubbles." Let's cut open the bag. Look, it's a little green cat holding like a bubble blower.
Oh, the real thing, the coolest thing is that it looks like it has a real bubble. Doesn't that bubble look real?
Let's mix these 2 together since they are the same color after all. Here it is, ready?
No.
Last one.
No.
Okay, here's our last one. And we got another white. Great, I love duplicates.
Is that a sleeping cat with slime? The last sticker says free rugs.
Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. We love your support and you make us want to keep on living.
And there they all are. What's your favorite one? Leave a comment below. My favorite is the bubble one. What's your favorite one? Hold on.
My favorite one is this one, the bubble.
Me too.
I like the little orb.
Laura, which one you like?
Oh, that one.
You like that one? One with the bubble ones?
This one just.
And which do you like? Saria?
Just tasting the one with bubble, with the bubble in the hand.
That's what will happen if you take away something from a baby.
Bye.